Hi, I'm Jessica, and I'm an e-learning specialist here to show you how to add your labels to a pie chart in Excel. So here's the really great news. Using a chart in Excel starting from 2007 forward is really easy. And in 2013, they even added these great chart buttons. So if I click on that, I can add my chart titles, add my data labels, even add a legend. Clicking on this little arrow here gives me some other options for where I want my chart title to go. And then under more options, it's going to bring up this, basically it's a little wizard over here, this window that's going to give me some options for how I want it to look. If I click on something else, it's going to give me, so for example, the legend options. So really very simple and easy to use. Changing your charts, you can even change your chart types. If you look under the Design tab, you can change your chart type to be whatever you want it to be. So charts, real simple, real easy to use. Definitely hope this helps.